In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Payoneer account. We'll go through the beginning of the sign-up process step by step so you can get started smoothly and know exactly what to expect on the screen. If you're setting this up for business payments, freelancing, or sending and receiving money through your work, this process is designed to help you begin in just a few minutes. First, go to the Payoneer website. Once the homepage loads, look over to the right-hand side and click on Register. This will take you to the account setup page, where Payoneer asks a few basic questions to match the account to your needs. The first thing you'll be asked is what your business will use Payoneer for. This is an important part of the setup because it helps determine the kind of account experience you'll have. On this page, you'll typically see options such as getting paid, sending payments, and more, or sending payments only. If you want broader access to features, choose the option for getting paid, sending payments, and more. That's the example being selected here. If your needs are more limited, you can choose the send payments only option instead. Just make sure you pick the one that best fits how you plan to use the account, since that will guide the rest of the registration flow. Next, Payoneer will ask for your business email address. Enter your email carefully and make sure it's one you can access right away, because you'll need it for verification. After typing in your email address, click Next to continue. At this point, Payoneer will ask you to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Payoneer. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the message, get the verification code and return to the Payoneer sign-up page. Back on the registration screen, enter the 6-digit code exactly as it appears in the email. This step confirms that the email belongs to you and allows you to move forward securely. After entering the code, click Next again. Once that's done, continue by following the next prompt on the screen. From here, Payoneer will guide you through the remaining setup steps based on the account option you selected earlier. Take your time as you move through the form and make sure all information is accurate before continuing. That will help avoid delays later in the approval process. And that's how to begin opening a Payoneer account.